Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on this. This is part 2. Little quick video how you can change it up quite a bit. And what I'm going to do it the first way first. I'm just going to go to Effect, in case you didn't watch that, and blend, and I'm blending them 20 times. And you get that effect. But we can do, as a matter of fact, let's make a copy of that and move it over. Let me move this over. But look at the difference if you will take this center part and rotate it 180 degrees. It's exactly the same, except for the starting nodes are different now where it started. Like there's the starting node on this one. There's the starting node on that one, the little triangle. So now when we blend them, look what you get. It blended them a lot smaller, if you will notice, between that one and this one. And you get a pretty cool effect. I'm going to use a different color on this one. I'm going to use this burnt orange. And they're still connected, so you could still just do every other one. And you could do the other one in a different color if you like. But it's a total different look. Let's see what it looks like with a black background on it. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.